Nganisa kwethu sinibingelele kolunye uhlelo oluyingqayizivele. This is Durban Network and I am your host uSabelo. Umfokandaba sinsizwa le phansi eMkhomazi. Namhlanje ke bafowethu ngivakashele uBreakdown umfoka Mathenjwa. Nonke bafowethu niyamazi. Okungihluphayo ke mina angifuni ukuqamba mali lensizwa ngiyazi noma i-advisor noma i-political analyst noma Breakdown. Just break it down.
Enhlane ezansi nabenkashana enkulu kaMenzi iningizimu Afrika, South Africa yonke. Ababukeli bakho Durban Network siyabingelela o-producer, studio management. Bonke ithembo sebenza nalo siyabingelela.
But
Try ke angizethule Breakdown ke iningizimu Afrika yonke. La iqhama khona uthi uyasebenza. Breakdown. So ke emsakazweni uma ngibiziwe,
yes,
ukuze ngingachemi kuthiwa ngi-independent political analyst.
Oh yeah.
Bangibiza kanjalo emsakazweni. Emsakazo le emsaka umphakathi. Bese bethi kimi indlela esiyithanda ngawe Breakdown. Sikubona ukuthi uma kuthiwa mhlambe kukhona noma ingane ama-issues, you articulate them as they are. And the view that you state become the best view that nobody has in a space to articulate this view in the better way that you can articulate it. So the media houses, it come Breakdown, when I hear your voice, because the way you speak, but nobody can come from the corridors of the political parties and address these issues the way that you are addressing them.
Exactly.
So then I come then become the of my FM, Intozo FM, and then different podcasts or Politics Plus. They would say the way you enjoy suggesfuna le views ubuka ngayo, but indlela ubuka ngayo ngenze ukuthi uphikiswe somewhere, but the way ubuka ngayo izinto thina as media houses ifuna le view yakho. That's why I become a political analyst. But automatically thina besasilutha la phansi zoboshwa. Esasila sithi wenzeni uzuma. Kathi sithi wenzeni ukuzuma sishisa amasonto amathayi ngo2021. Senza yonke into la sisenza yonke into siyibo. Ngo2024 2023 hayibo sezwa kuthiwa ubaba wethu sasithi wenzeni usememezela ukuthi uzovota. Into esayenza ku social media. Ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso South Africa. Angazi ngibe social media bani. Angazi ngisebenza social media before. If you go to my account Breakdown Mathenjwa, ngo2023 October November benginayo account ya TikTok.
Yes.
Bengipostela into zami kubantu aba 200. Abantu aba 300 views, 200 views, ama likes awu 10.
Yes.
Ham works from December 2023. Ilanga selishoni sobathola ngemaze yabona ke hey angazi ngibona ngangiqala ukuba yi-celebrity social media jikijela mkhonto bangakhuluma ngomkhonto wesizwe bayi-repost ithi video ithi 100,000 hayibo i-following athibawa kuthiwa ubona ibheji yomkhonto wesizwe follower makunokhuluma ngomkhonto follower thola ukutrenda lapho hayi ngabona itrend nami hayi ngiyithanda uba ngiwunontanda kubuka ngayitshela sengumkhonto hayi jikijela mkhonto jikijela nginemali kapetrol ke mina yabo uma kuthiwa umkhonto ogwaze enkandla 27 December ubaba uZuma uyonikela ublanket ngikhona mina okhuluma into zomkhonto bathi bangawujoyina abantu umkhonto bawujoyina bobuka la sila enkandla ngangize izintatheli ke nami sila enkandla njengamanje wada kuDunosi abantu bethu yase Breakdown kwaza mkhonto abantu baningi bethu uBreakdown wangazwa umuntu lapho 2 December umuntu ayazi abantu ngomhla ka20 mhla ka27 28 27 emzo lifestyle iphambili Zuma ubaba uKhumalo baba uJabulani Khumalo usekhona inamba Jabulani Khumalo nginayo direct ngalapho ngihamba phambili nje ukuthi hey jikijela mkhonto jikijela mzo lifestyle thina mina memezela mzo lifestyle Duduzile Zuma President Zuma Jabulani Khumalo sikhona akukhona leadership emkhontweni sikhona thina so Breakdown social media kuyayilawulwa yimina kanje hayi ngangu number 1 ku social bonke bangena emva kwami bajoyina bevele bene following enkulu Kanti benza mabejoina bafica ukuthi mina ngumkhonto ngqo awuna following ifollowing yami yonke so umuntu othi mkhulu kunami ku social media ubevele khona ku TikTok before mina ngifike nomkhonto angithi nje umkhonto kwaza bawubona kimi umkhonto uDr Ketlele zohamba phambili kumina omdala ngefollowing enkulu vele kuba inyanga mina ngunobody ngiubreakdown omkhonto nje
breakdown ake sibuke impi lapha elapha kule community yalapha ku social media umyeza sibona noThabani noMax kuyabangwa I'm sure khona usondelene naye kubona kwenzakalani lapha
uMax Makhaya ngomdala kimi social bantu abane following enkulu social media bama TikTokers abala bane for Max nje wonke umuntu uyamazi uMax Makhaya usiyamiyeza futhi mdala kimi ku social media ngisukele kubona mina bengena ngiyona TikTok ngiyona social media bangibamba mase ngifika nomkhonto wami losikwazi hayi umkhonto kuyini umkhonto ngapha bangathi abanye ngiyiwona abantu abanye ngiyiwona amangazi noma ngiyiwona kodwa wena umkhonto nje ngaziwa ngawo umuntu wazi umkhonto wazi ubreakdown wazi umkhonto sengaba bona abantu bangijaja kanjani ngendaba lokuthi ubani member ngithi ngingakaphathwa ngasojoyina ku ATM sibe ngixoxe bengase ngifuna umkhonto ngilwa no Floyd so in the social media community clean governance Max Makhanya osiyamyeza abantu abangaphambili kwethu abadala kithi ku social mina futhi angikwazi ukuyisebenzisa social media leyo ngafika nomkhonto mina ngafika nomkhonto umyeza ke ngithe masi after ama votings
yes
umyeza umuntu obeyisitha somkhonto wesizwe number 1 I was pre-identified with him after 2024 ama-elections because bese ngikhuluma politics lapho ngithi mina umkhonto wesizwe must now sosuvotele it must now speak to us as abantu abavotele but mina breakdown bathi abantu breakdown thatha ivote lakho hambe ofanalo because ufuna usilawula ngathi no we need to build a political party siyokhethweni silento ebesiyona but we cannot continue to be lento ebesiyona let us build a political party until today ayikho umuntu osayenza into engathi abayenzi ukuthi let us have a membership. What is a membership? Let us create a member. Ekhona amavidiyo amadala. What is a branch in good standing of Umkhonto wesizwe after we receive 45% vote?
Yes.
I've stated that to Umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi we need to have a branch in if you are building a political party. Fana abe njengoba mina ngisuke ngivota elindele ihle VD.
Yes.
Endaweni yase Umlalazi wa 21 Umlalazi municipality. Idolobha la masipala seShowe ngaphansi umthunzini inkosi umzimela. That's where I come from. So lapha ngithi how to build a branch in good standing breakdown. You're gonna collect wonke umuntu afika join kule convener umuntu deploy iqembu we deploy you breakdown as a convener or coordinator of Umkhonto wesizwe. Go and collect a certain number of members in what 21. If you reach threshold 100, you bring back those members to the office of the region as Mlalazi.
Exactly.
Into abayenzile njengamanje baqashe capturing member bathatha membership ngobayise head office. Head office capture membership engacapture ishiwe wathini. So if you are captured ePitori but awukhe wathini uphinga aware. Abanye bajoina online no that's not what you're building is incorrect. I branch may collect membership.
Yes.
Mayisi 100. That you don't capture ukuthi sinabantu aba 20 what 30 emhlanga no you can't do that. You only capture a member when it's reach 100. You are recognized as a branch. You know I branch yase what 21 Mlalazi nabantu aba 100 then bese number join 1000. That's when we captured 1000 members. Ikhora makuhlala meeting yasimuzokhetha istructure sobuholi basemlala base what 21 kumele abantu abangaki aba 50 plus uma 100 but bayibethi bona ke if constitution if it's a minimum must be 100 so once is minimum 100 should uma una 50 plus when una meet 50% plus and that is wrong uma membership 1000 u50 plus 501 but bona but no if you got 50 plus your membership is 600,000 a branch but bona no as long as you have esibili confusion athi buya manje lekuthiwa khona kwenziwa ama 10 kwathiwa khona abantu abalenza ama abantu aba 10 kuthiwa what is a branch according to the constitution of Umkhonto wesizwe. The constitution of Umkhonto says a branch is a VD based organization. So ama branch Umkhonto wesizwe ama VD ixatshenwe ke manje kubanga lonto
ngizwile ke le impela
ukuthi thina sifuna ukukhipha abantu aba 10 per VD not per ward. If you ward yethu ase what ye what 34 ekhethweni eThekwini region ifuna ukukhipha ama ifuna ukhipha ama 10 kumele sikhiphe per video sifuna 10 eGreenwood Park sifuna 10 eFingami sifuna 10 eSikhawuleki sifuna 10 eAvoca Hills sifuna 34 sifuna 10 eSpringfield Park yabo kanti according to ibranch bathe ewa 34 lethana abantu abawu10 no asibathi nabantu base Pride asibathi nabantu base Greenwood Park asibathi nabantu base eFingami abantu base Avoca umphakathi yahlukahlukene so gcina sikhetha ngokwe Avoca Hill kuphela kuthiwa no we have video base kunempe enkulu umuntu wabani abazuya kule 10 no problem
mawubuka lempi le yalaba bhemle lapha ku social media sikhona siphetho kodwa
ngikushilo mina ukuthi ngale bengifuna uvoice ngalesikhathi ngixoke ngilwiswa emkhontweni nga-adoptwa umyeza kwathiwa ngifana nomyeza ngoba uzonto attack umkhonto wesizwe umyeza wangivulela olayini wangifaka ey'ntweni approximately mhlawumbe imali esengiyidlile through network kamyeza plus minus 100,000
jeez
through connection kamyeza from 2024 till today and we've never break a relationship yethu negwile engihlala nazo mina ematafuleni through i-connection network kamyeza different political parties connected to Myeza and mina ngibuye umfundisi imali ngiyayithatha mina ngisho nginika manje imali ngifuna u10 rand ngiyawuthatha ishumi ngiyalithatha because I'm coming from a nature umnikelo so mawuthiwa nje na umnikelo imali ngiyibiza kumnikelo mina ayayithatha but imali sho ukuthi ufike nobani but imali kuthiwa nje imali yaseStellenbosch njani ngayithatha mina mawuthi imali ngazi oRupert noba ngayithatha lo mali mawuthi ifika nama-drug dealers uba ngayithatha lo mali mina imali ngikubuza uRupert imali kuthiwa imali errong ayikho imali errong yikho nokuthi imali errong la kumina imali ngiyayithatha mina so nje ngicela ukuthi imali kaMyeza ngayidla njoba kuliwa namanje noMyeza ngiyuthima uMyeza ngithatha iside likaMyeza sengiphilile ngayo sengiphilisile kuthiwa abantu baphika ukuthi badla imali kaMyeza mina ngiyavuma ngiyidlela imali kaMyeza
uyidabulile uye wabonakala breakdown lapha elokhunjeni kaNongoma nesikaphu uzozi cha yobe mfowethu emva kokuthi ama ground forces engabonakalanga odondweni lamzimba oKhalimani thingiphaula ka
honorable host udokotela umzimba uKhalimani wa le network yakho yamshutha uwe lo wafa umzimba uKhalimani enkingeni I'm sitting right in front of you today
hayibo
wena washutha umzimba uKhalimani wathi umvezele ikhamera umshutha lapha wajabula kakhulu udokotela uDlamini wakhipha nento efana esijwayele ukuyikhuluma amasilele ematshwaleni wayikhuluma la kwimedia ayi angena manje endlini la kumkhonto wesizwe ke ama ground force ama nawe uma if you are in a good standing
yes
once you shift in your position ama ground force I distance from kwena lo crisis enjalo ngibonile ukuthi indlela athithe ngamzimba uKhalimani ngekhathi eshadelwa ayibanga indla I was not impressed nami bengekho and you could phone what breakdown okulabantu abangikhaphelayo yini nawe bhuti ngoba ngizwa kuthiwa ngimobe ebantwini ngabona ukuthi futhi ulimele emoyeni and I took a stand tema sengithi ngayimshado nakhe angenayo imali
yes
angenamali i-transport ukuthi ngihambe ngifike ecama nomuntu oyihluphekelayo angifuna ukusenza ngcono abantu beSouth Africa ngafe ngamtshela but umzimba ukhanga ngaholi engapheli inyanga angifuna masephela inyanga wena umcimbi kwangu-28 ngizohola mina nge-8 so imali engangeni so ngisebenza abantu bamathenda thina yabo imali bayithola kwamasipala bayithola mhla ka5 wala mhla ka5 bayahola ngaziholi so sisebenza kanjalo sibantu abayixhakelwa yabona athi idokotela imali bengakangeni akwazi ngifithe mayingena nje imali maphela inyanga ngase ngiyokhothama ke ngathi dokotela uDlamini njengoba umfowethu as a brother ngixolisa ungafiki and one bheka for ama ground forces wonke eSouth Africa ngabaxolisela la ukuthi angafiki ikhona iconfusion ekhona on the ground sisaxolisa kakhulu ngase ngishiye wathi uma ngithi ngithenga isikaphu wathi ngasithenga isikaphu anginazi isibaya wase ngilethe kuba inkomo isikaphu esiyilokho njani lesihlala ebank
so ayicabene
nama ground forces were in good standing with umzimba uKhalimani he's our brother he's our comrade he's our big brother so that's why I stood up no siyaxolisa kakhulu on behalf of organization ama ground forces kuholi bonke obukhona mhlawumbe obusadidekile abantu emkhontweni mawenza kahle bayasuka kwena umuso futhi bela kwiposition yabo example mina khathi kusakhona uFloyd kade ngimhumbe emkhontweni ngafune kuthiwa ngimbuka ngixova umkhonto ngixova iqembu ngicuki it was based on Floyd Chivambu yabantu abethanda uFloyd bedefend uSG organization mayithe xoxa uFloyd kwakuthi uyasebenza breakdown awuyasebenza breakdown athi uyasebenza breakdown kubantu bathi breakdown yawulokhu ukuthi uFloyd uzomxosha uFloyd uyahamba uFloyd is going uFloyd is not gonna stand we will do whatever and some khipha ngaphandle sasala zithina sisele namanje ngamanje ithe uma sathi biza umhlangano 7 days umncango akhishwa ngayithini ungazizonde udokotela umncango kodwa athi ngiyibambele kamncango.
Open border police esaziwa kakhulu ukuthi abantu abayi-advocateayo i-EFF kuthini ukuphawula kwakho ngayo?
The open border policy is not a Malema vision. The open border policy is not a EFF vision and policy.
Yes, sir.
The open border policy come from the 1963 Addis Ababa conference with the formation of the Organization of the African Unity, founded by Obaba Kwame Nkrumah from Ghana. I speak of the Patrice Lumumba from Kenya. I speak of Thomas Sankara from Burkina Faso. I speak of different leaders from Malawi, different leaders who came from different African countries that were meeting in Addis Ababa in 1963.
Yes.
That's where the vision has come from of one Africa, one Africa, one currency, one president, one military, one judiciary. That's a big vision. And then, so that the open Malema is interpreting this to us as ground forces that we stand with the African unity,
Yes.
with this vision. But he didn't interpret it correctly to the people who to the masses that don't understand us. And then the contradiction with the Jacinta Ngobesa of the March and March, which advocating for the correctly interpretation of the South African Constitution, which says that who's coming illegal and illegal, who's asylum seekers, who's allowed to be in South Africa was not allowed. Every party who's South Africa must follow the South African protocols. They must have a passport, and then if they don't have passport, there is a wars in their countries or there are problem in their countries. They must, as asylum seekers, refugee, they must become refugees, and they must go to the refugees camp. But now we didn't follow that protocol according to the white paper into the Constitution of South Africa. The actual Jacinta Ngobesa is coming in and said, no, we are now our country is being hijacked. Our system is being hijacked. We need to stand up as South Africans, defend our constituency, defend our South Africa, our supremacy, defend our is South Africa, weight. So that's where Jacinta Ngobesa is coming from. So I said, no, we're not against the African unity. We're not against African border policy. But why the African border policy is only happening in South Africa? So Julius Malema, please stop with this. It must be negotiated in the presidential protocol, in the head of state. That what are the heads of states are saying about one Africa? Not us as a crown. So now we have to defend our country from Julius Malema and the ground forces of the EFF and the illegal, undocumented foreigners who are coming in our country without proper documents. The EFF said you must document. Said no, they came here illegal. Once you are coming illegal, you have become a crime. You are committing crime. You are a criminal. So those people who are undocumented foreign nationals are criminals according to South African Constitution. We cannot listen or any entertainment anyhow. That's why Jacinta Julius Malema are fighting.
Abantu abaningi bathi i-idea noma i-vision ye-One Africa seyi-compromise to a border police for which yehliswe isithunzi ekubeni iyinto eyayikade ibekele for into ephezulu.
Even the ANC is not a South African National Congress because it's a One African vision. So a problem like manje, it's been brought to the ground forces.
Yes.
That's where the complaint is coming from. It's been brought into the ground forces, and we are misinterpreting it. The ground forces of the EFF, they are misinterpreting this issue of the open border policy. It is not our issue. It's a presidential. What is the open border policy? What is the one state of Africa? What is the one military? When do we ready to have one president? That's an African Union. But Malema is using this as an advocate. Immense oba is son of the soil. Immense oba umunya abantu ababaligi abaphambili elokunjani in African continent, the African politics and the Pan-Africanism. It is vision. The vision is bigger than Julius Malema. The vision is bigger than the EFF. The vision is big than anyone, Ramaphosa or Chairperson of Africa. It's big, but it's wrongly interpreted and been reduced to the nothingness.
Recently, sibone uLokhunja umfoka Mncwango, the former SG of the MK party, joina imbangi ze MK, which is the IFP. Kuthini ukuphawula kwakho?
Honorable Dr. Bongani Mngcango is our former Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party.
Yes.
He is also umfundisi Ncegu. I-doctorate la itholile akuyona ukuthi udokotela ngoba uyalapha.
Yeah.
It's an honorarium doctorate from the religious corridors. So abefundisi umfundisi Mngcango unceka uNkulunkulu nyawonhle umgcotshwa umphathiswa indoda evangeli indoda ephethe umlilo Mngcango.
Yeah.
We were very excited to have one of the senior leaders into one of the biggest political party in South Africa, Dr. Bongani Mngcango.
Yeah.
That's my stand. We're very privileged to spend umuntu okholwayo. But as a Christian, as a religious leaders and religious fraternals, happy ngendlela alide ngayo baba uMngcango emkhontweni. Sebantu bezenkolo. Sithi no, he was sent there as a wolf, as a sheep unto the wolves. And he didn't survive. After when they take him out, he's even questions, why am I expelled? What have I done wrong? Agas, only the wolves were there. Agas when we met me again. So not that he didn't serve well. It was the shoes were too big.
Yeah.
And he was a good man. He was just coming from the church. That's why I wasn't gonna go politics, like my branches of my convene because I'm a church leader, I'm a religious leader. So character angwali impisi leziyana. Lapha kunabathakathi, lapha kunababulali, lapha kuneyinkabi, kunama ex-convict, kumele walide ngitshele mina. Igebengu ngempela kunabantu abacollecta ama extortion fees, kunabantu abawo tax association, kunama tax owner in this political party. Kunabantu abathwele abanephandle ifika la indolwaneni. Must be led by you. So hey, Baba, you can't be normal. Mngcango was just a lucky person. His supernatural anointing ebimthatha mbeka lapha, but he couldn't survive. It was too heavy. It was too hot. That's what I can say. But for so manje, I can say good is make a great move. Congratulations to Dr. Bongani Mngcango. It's a great move because it was hard to survive. IFP hardly can survive.
Why?
IFP it can defend its constituency. You're not easily found umuntu IFP memeza umunye esidlangalaleni. Uthi hey, wena ntulu uyisela kusho umuntu IFP no. They can fight all the battles but they remain disciplined. That's what the IFP has done. IFP is a political party.
Yeah.
Most of the voters of the IFP are members of the IFP. If are not members, are loyal to the IFP. IFP has never crossed the threshold of 600,000 votes in South Africa.
Yeah.
I asked you like 600,000. It's IFP. Of 2016, actually 200,000. I think you had a cover. Now it's 18%. Young 600 something thousand. It's a most prosperous election now. 2024 with AFP looks 600,000. And was Natal more than 1 million upon them converses. All are less than 1 million. NFP ANC now 400 something thousand. In number 3, TA. 260 something thousand vote. That's the number 3. And then as we are sitting on millions and we are not leading. So I'm saying with the IFP is a good political party. It can defend in constituency. You can go there, you can sit, you can be diplomatic with your qualification. Abantu abawuthisha bakwa IFP, abantu abakuma municipality banama qualifications, ama professional bakwa IFP. Because IFP quite like a career. If you are a careerist, you can survive under the IFP. Kumkhondo kudinga ipolitical ngqo. Uhlala impisi nje every day. Every day impisi ziyalaya impisi zithi akaphumane akaphuma uMngcango must go if you don't hleli kunomsindo lizithu lemoyeni is complicated, it's too hot for uMngcango. So IFP I think he will survive there. That's my take on that.
Masibuka MK ina 2 years cishe ifoniwe noma mhlambe nembijana ngaphezulu already SG wes9 lo khona kusho ukuthini lo?
The MK party is under construction. It's not yet a political party. We have our Action SA. Who are quite Ubanu Action SA.
Don't have it clear.
Ubanu Deputy President Yamashaw.
Oh.
Ubanu to Secretary General, Provincial Secretary and Mngcango la was Natal Action SA. So the reason why Umkhonto is very big. Because namaqembu engawanakile uthi awana ngisho ama structures kunomashawa kuphela nje upresident kunomngcango kuphela i-provincial leader ongala committee oleader nje yedwa eshina sayina branch KwaZulu-Natal iqembu nje. You don't care about that. You always asking about MK party. The MK party is a third big
OS9 lo SG lo.
So the reason why we are always 9 ingoba MK party nama numbers amaningi, and it needs.
Doesn't that question leadership yawo nokuthi ukuselecta kwabi criteria yokuselect umuntu mhlawumbe ayikho kahle?
No, so sikunikeza ithuba ndamase leader siyakuthemba. Uvela ufike ndamase lapha uphambana nesikhwili. La ngoba ngitshela umuntu into eshaya umncango lapha no Floyd. Floyd is very brilliant. uDr Maseko was very brilliant. Ungene before Floyd. And before Dr Maseko was Atazwane. Atazwane was Sihle Ngubane.
Yes.
Sihle Ngubane was Gorbachev.
Yeah.
So I'm telling you ukuthi baza nama credentials ahlukahlukene bas kuyashisa isihlalo kuyashisa emkhondweni ufukunikeza ithemba abantu baningi elabantu baningi kune potential ukuthi umkhondo weziko masipala uzodominate the only target iprovince vele kuthini ngamanje iprovince hayi ngoba singayibusi iprovince kube sayithatha iprovince after my election sasizoba nenkinga phosa bese sizama phutha amaningi but that's why we are keen manje we governance we had no governance history we only got we lead that siwinile ukhetho sarotho. That's why we stand. Siyobela kuba vote sa rojo. We gonna campaign ukuthi nathi niphethe wa department asebenzi kashana ngobungani iningi into enzana namanje kumkhonto ngaphakathi eqenjini engekho right. That is why sibaxoshwa SG. Can you imagine we bested women still under construction, we are not ready actually ready strong. Namanje siya umasipala nje asikho ready sashinja siyapheka siyathulula. We are not ready builders kusakhiwa and kusakhiwa mfethu kusakhiwa cash.
Kodwa asibukeke ukuthi ujoyine iqembu mhlambe iMK lithatha njenganembangi izali iIFP. Lokhu akunika ukukhathazeka.
Awazi biza iIFP ngembangi. President Zuma uke waye emhlanganweni kwiWillis Mchunu Foundation ebilonto. But iIFP neMK is the only two political parties were founded by black people. Ngazi bisho ukuthini lonto leya. Wakhuluma ngomlando ngama Dr MG Buthelezi. Ekhuluma emcimbini weMK. Politics 2 days is too big, it's too much. So even nama kuno ukuthi enti ngenze ngisebenze neMK kwaZulu-Natal. So politics is very deep. You can't call somebody an enemy in politics. There's no permanent enemies. That's what I can say. So iIFP ayikho nje enemy. Ukuthi nje phela iIFP yayitshela ukuthi ube MK kuyona izobusa kwaZulu-Natal. That's why nama ngisabusa yenza ukuthi bayitshela ukuthi iya deserve ukubusa. They had to prima candidate, they negotiating said no, if we are negotiating with the IFP umuntu must be the premier because Mprethi as a premier candidate. So if singamenzi premier will be failed as the IFP.
Kubukeka lungekho uzinzo enhlanganweni kulandela ukuphuphulela ngoqo umhlangano wabakhona sasikhona naye wawo ukhona kwama region ahlukahlukene ehlangene lapha. Isho ukuthini lento izini kahle lezi ezibanga lokubambana ngehlutho okunga within the MK.
As a political advisor, the MK party, if at this time it's supposed to have kube bahamba belandelela process kahle masikhuluma lapha ematshwaleni ngiyivezele sisisho ukuthi kukhona ukungahambisi ngendlela ngaphakathi eqenjini ufana ngabe iqembu ikhona idirection eselithathile so far sisithi isikhathi but kunabantu ngathi angazi balindele ukuthi iqembu lidedele. The MK party is captured. The MK party is captured, and then is not released as a political party.
Yes.
I feel like when by a politics. What is a political party then? A political party must have a branch.
Yes.
And the branch must launch the branch and have a structure. And if it goes to the meeting, the branches of the structures of the branch stand as a representative to the conference, as a voice of the people on the ground.
Exactly.
Currently, under Umkhonto Wesizwe is built as a private company where the senior and executive leadership are making decisions and its flow goes down. So now in leadership, you get a mandate from the people who deploy to. There is no even a single deployee in the Umkhonto Wesizwe. Akekho ngisho umuntu yedwa okhethwe abantu eMkhondweni Wesizwe. Currently as we stand, everybody is being deployed, and the constitution said we are going to nominate and appoint people. If you appoint, it's when ABSA, no FNB or SPA, appoint a winner as a manager because of your qualification to do a certain task and give a report to the leadership. It doesn't serve a purpose of being a political party. A political party must represent the ground and the people. That is why I call myself the spokesperson of the ground forces, because I will only break down as a leader if the people on the ground, but if sifunu break down, sifunu break down, sifunu break down, I will rise into leadership and I will represent the mandate of the people who've elected me.
Breakdown, can I ask something? Ukusho ukuthi inkulumo yakhe iyelektheni lento yasho umzimba okhalimali engathi uyahambisana na.
Uthi ke okwamanje umzimba ukhalimali wayebeka ngendluzula kodwa wayishintsha efanayo. Wasoba nendluzula wasoyibeka zwala ngesakahle uyabo. But we're saying so good, we are not in the stage of being a political party. If you define according to political science, what is a political party? Umkhonto wesizwe does not meet the criteria of being a political party because it does not represent the ground force. But the Umkhonto has been given the mandate, it's been given by a vote by the people of South Africa, the masses. That is why now as all breakdown, we are in the masses. We because the masses have voted for Umkhonto wesizwe, but there's no ayiki representative yalabantu abalapha. Abantu now they are fighting sifuna umuntu ozorepresenta thina. Those people who are in position are not representing us. We are not represented. They are not carrying the mandate from us. They are oppressing us. Bacindezela thina, and because we never appoint them, we never elect them. So about represent. If I go there, speak with TikTok manje, I represent our ground forces. If I go to social media, I represent us on the ground. So that what makes me a future and a leader in this country, because now labantu abaphansi apane bona bazuma ngikhulumela bona. There is nobody in Umkhonto speaking for the bathathe amavoti abantu baye parliament bahlale ekundleni. There is nobody ought no sithini ebantwini.
Umbuzo uthi breakdown yini ebambe I-conference.
No. Okay, your question is wrong. How are you going to go to the conference without having branches? Because I said, what is a political party? Must build a branch. I told you must build a branch, and the branch it must have the structures, and the structures become the representative of the masses on that ward. It's called a branch. A branch, is coming from a ward, and then you build a political party because you're not a ward councillor. Then you call it a branch because it's demarcated through ward demarcation. So that if you want to elect a ward councillor, you must use the branch represented. Now, how to elect a ward councillor? But you must have a branch. Currently, there's not even a single branch of Umkhonto wesizwe in South Africa that is launched successfully. If Umkhonto wesizwe want to build a political party, I speak to Nomvalo as a SG of Umkhonto wesizwe party. If you want to exit Umkhonto wesizwe party as a proper SG, as a person who worked in Umkhonto wesizwe, you must start launching our branches. That's what said Floyd Shivambu when he was joining the Umkhonto wesizwe, coming from the EFF as a national organizer. He said, I'm going to build Umkhonto wesizwe from VT to VT. I'm going to build Umkhonto wesizwe from branch to branches to region to provinces. That's what Floyd Shivambu failed. And when I said Floyd must go, I quoted him that Floyd Shivambu, you said you are going to build the Umkhonto wesizwe party. As per city breakdown, you have become the SG of Umkhonto wesizwe. What you can do. I will allocate our conveners and coordinators to go into branches and collect the existing membership of Umkhonto wesizwe at the branch level. How to do so? The membership that has been captured currently is been members recorded at the 2023, December 2023. They are capturing it now. Kono Floyd Shivambu, kono Omeri Party, asebayeka kono Kobashev, kono Khumalo. Kuda membership by capture people who've long left Umkhonto wesizwe.
Jeez.
But they are capturing, but they are not following. But a branch in bias, which man can say one good, keep at the same time, erase. But if now you are if you are centralizing a membership, you won't know who's still a member. Umnong has joined the IP now. If he's supposed to be removed by his branch, but he don't have a branch in country now. As a branch, as much as what come up, we don't know. Ubana recommend Umnong, where did he come from? Wagupi, we didn't know him. We just saw him becoming an SG. Because he was appointed due to his qualification. I don't know how procedure they use, but he was appointed. Wangama members of parliament, abana branch, abana constituents, abana because they don't come from Nomvalo. A branch in umuntu asuke branch breakdown mathenjwa from Ward 21, Mlalazi municipality. If I'm a member of Mkhonto weSizwe, I will never be a member of Mkhonto weSizwe unless kubiza umuntu osebranch ithi Mkhonto weSizwe sesideploye usibanibani eWard 21 uyena ozoregister membership eMkhonto weSizwe, izo capture issue isubmitwe ebese kuba nebranch umuntu ubranch coordinator ozogcina imembership yaseWard 21 kuphela, ebese ithatha imembership yaseWard 21 ayoyisubmita kwi-region. Awukwazi kuba ne-region ungenayo ibranch.
True.
So now whatever into eniyibiza ngayo leniyibiza it's not political. It's just in ama interim. What is the job of the interim? Ngathi mina after 2024 sesivotile Mkhonto weSizwe. Now it's a time to build a political party. Until today they've never built a political party.
Izolo mfethu kaMashu benikade nihlangene nigubha usuku olukhulu la President Zuma, who's standing president of the MK party. Why you feel ukuthi you should come together and celebrate his day?
Honorable President Jacob Gedle ihlekisa mhlanganyelwa Zuma. He's been a father to us. The highest position in South Africa is not to be a president. Baba. Because of President Zuma. Njengamanje umuntu osokaba upresident wezwe waphuma wathola iposition entsha. Twasilinde ubaba owezwe after my election. Twasilinde ubaba this ubaba that ubaba akayena upresident uZuma ubaba. So now the highest position that I'm dreaming to become in future ubaba. I want to be a father. President Zuma is a father of the nation. President Zuma is a father to all political parties. President Zuma is a father of all the black progressive caucuses, of all the black political parties. He represents and advocates for the black revolutionary, for the black freedom, that we must be free, that we must be free as a black people. So that is President Zuma. Why must we celebrate his life? Dr. Miles Monroe says, there are two important days in a man's life. It's the day you were born and the day you discovered why you were born. President Zuma came. Miles Monroe said, the death is not a greatest tragedy in life, but the greatest tragedy in life is a life without a purpose. President Zuma at the age of 80 came out, 81, he came out and said, if I die today, angazi ngiyofika wabona amavidiyo akhe, angazi ngiyofika ngithini ngoba bamkhulu, because I failed. The black man is not free yet. So President Zuma is fighting the total emancipation of the black child in South Africa. So we celebrate President Zuma because he lives a life with a purpose. Life with if you're living a life without a purpose, you are just a wishy-washy, you are just you are just moving around, you are just a wishy-washy, you are just a flip-flopper. But President Zuma said, my purpose was to free, my reason to join the ANC was to free the black man, my reason to go into politics was to frighten the revolutionary and set the black man free. Said, but umuntu omnyama is not free yet.
Bese uyaba khona kumbuzo ohlezi uzoqhamuka ukuthi President Zuma lesikhuluma ngaye, he was a president and he served for 2 terms. If ever khona into ayezoshintsha, why engazishintshanga ngalawo ama-terms amabili awase?
President Zuma came to us and said, if you think ANC is the ANC that you think is not the ANC, if you think the ANC will deliver the total emancipation of the black people, it won't happen. He was speaking from experience because he had power, but he couldn't change anything. When he tried to, he said there are a lot of forces when we are in the presidency. There are a lot of the you cannot make a difference. Say being a dictator like Ibrahim Traore of Burkina Faso, because you can now declare and decide So in South Africa, you couldn't do that. You have to look at the business side. You have to look at the economy. You have to look at the investors. You have to look at the development. So if you want to make reckless decision, you're going to make the country suffer. So you have to look all these factors. You can't just say, no, no. You have to caucus every month. Let us change the constitution. Constitution. So you need to have a 2/3 majority in order to change the constitution and in order to take the land. And if you take the land, you must also not fight against the white, because if you fight against the whites, they will collapse the rand. So it was not easy to change anything. Was it? No. 2/3 majority. ukuze sishintshe umthetho sisekele ANC ngeke isakwazi baningi abantu abafaka imali kwa ANC baningi ama relationship ANC esingene kona ayisenayo amandla wathi noqala into entsha manje engenayo ama deals amadala ANC yona ya negotiate it negotiated wrong. I know where the fault was and I was there as umuntu omdala. I had to correct this mistake while I'm still sebashonile Mandela sebafo Chris and sebafo Harry Kwan, but I'm still here. I can correct these mistakes. Let me form a new political party and outside of the ANC to ensure that we deliver the freedom charter resolutions.
Kubuke ngathi uMalema usinela ngakunina lokhu kuvela enkulumweni noma kusithangamsaba izindaba ade naso lesho khona ethi nje openly uzoyisupporta iMK la kwaZulu Natal ukuthi ibuyele emandleni kusho ukuthini lokhu kunina.
The EFF, the National Freedom Party, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, even including the ATM and the Action SA, who are not a part of the governments in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, that it seems that there is a good relationship with these 5 political parties have counted in going forward. There is even Skuluma, we don't fight Action SA, we don't fight EFF, we don't fight NFP, we didn't declare this one as our enemies. These are our brothers in a progressive caucus. So now if Malema something happens, Zuma attend Malema's auntie's funeral, that's what we address, we are one. If Mary Party don't have a home to join, you go and join the Action SA. We are happy to do, I said we are go and join, build the movement. If Mary Party in Mpumalanga joining the Action SA, he was throwing the insult on the MK party. We spoke to our ground forces, don't insult Mary Party, don't speak against the Action SA. They are our brothers, they are one of us. Only thing, Mary Party, don't shoot back at us, don't point the barrel of a gun to us. You must point somewhere they can. So Mary Party does not declare the war against us. Is we peace with Abu Mandla Msibe and the ANC, trying to eliminate the ANC in Mpumalanga to get more votes to the progressive caucus. So Action SA is not progressive, but we can build a local government coalition, Johannesburg, Tshwane, Kuruleni, the MK party and the Action SA probably, and the EFF, we are going to build a government in those cities. In KwaZulu-Natal, the EFF in Tshwane municipality, the Action SA, the EFF, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, we are probably going to build a government in 2026. And we are calling, say, if those clever blacks who are, I believe, our students are under EFF, all the students in South Africa believe in the EFF, we endorse those students. The EFF representative in the tertiary quality, tertiary education, EFF is quite well represented there. We endorse that. We are happy with that. In the clever blacks where the TA is dominating, we approve the Action SA. The place like Abo Hillcrest, Abo Pinetown, Abo Wellwood Park, Abo Wentworth, Abo Bluff, Abo Manzimtoti, a place like Abo Kingsburg, Queensburg, the place where white to Amhlanga or Tepa, not La Lucia, the where they are white in Phoenix, Verulam, where there's Indians. We encourage the Action SA to go to those areas where are multiracial and contest strongly there. Banga contest and on Zets because Umkhonto weSizwe is dominating there only to gain nothing. So if they targeting ama clever blacks, ama colored, ama whites and Indians, they might get a vote that will assist us in building a coalition government in 2026-2027 local government.
Hey, in many occasions, breakdown, MK has been labeled as inhlangano yamadlanga, abantu abangahlelekile. I think following into eyenzeke legislature.
What do you mean madlanga?
Amadlanga, that means abantu abanolaka. Zulu, by the way. That follows into eyenzeke legislature at the time you guys were trying to impeach Uthamin to lose the premier of KwaZulu Natal and stuff. Thini ukuphawula kwakho ukuthi kunabantu abayibuka ngalelo hle MK?
Not a problem. It's their judgment is how they see us. They cannot. This is who we are. And Umkhonto weSizwe is a mass-based organization. As we told you, there's no branches there. There's no regions there. There's only interim structures oversighting the masses. Abantu abathuye iqembu ukuzogada ama masses. Abone IFP ina membership. IFP nama constituency offices. IFP nama represent nama loyal members. I've been there for years. MK has just been started and everybody's on MK. So we are the leading political party in KwaZulu-Natal. Whatever they label us, we have ama voters currently. Naba vote. So umphakathi KwaZulu-Natal, if they label us KwaZulu-Natal as amapinga, as abantu abanodlame, it's us. We are the Zulus. It's us. We can't change ourselves. That is us. If they see that, it should hit it up.
Asibuka isimo seqembu right now. Ulibona lenza kanjani on the next coming local elections?
My brother, because I'm the one who's campaigning for Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and I'm back by fire by force onto the ground. As we did in 2024, we were before, but now I'm back on the ground and I'm mobilizing the ground. We are going to win extremely. We are going to go beyond 45%. Why I'm saying so? To our ground forces, I'm not going to take no position. I'm not available for any position. I'm only going to ensure that the voice of the ground forces, the vote of the ground forces, the elected individual, we hold them accountable alone. Alone. I'm availing myself. I'm going to protect the votes. They know me. I've did it in 2024. I've stood with the ground. Said, no, we voted for Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Now it must deliver. The members of parliament must deliver. They didn't deliver nothing to us until today. But we don't have a problem. We must continue. And then we need to elect more leaders. The numbers, the ground forces, the people on the ground, the masses, they are in the side of Umkhonto weSizwe. We cannot reject those masses. I'm there personally, volunteering myself to go there and protect and advocate and ensure that those who are appointed, we're not seeking no position. I will only rise. I'm talking about more than 1,000, but it breakdown. Check this one and represent us. For now, what you break down, pay something else. I'm not fit to do so because I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be representing the people. I'll be now perfectionist. I have to protect your agenda, protect your ideas. No matter you are better, I must defend you. I don't like to do that. I want to defend the masses. I want to defend the ground forces. I want to defend the citizens, the people of South Africa. Even if by Kantela, I don't want to serve Umkhonto weSizwe. I want to serve the citizens, and these are leader, which I come from 21 Dallas municipality. If I choose to be served, I'll be serving everybody. IFP, ANC, everybody. I'll be a leader, not a politician, not a political stooge, no.
Kodwa enye into abayikhulumayo ile ukuthi abantu who are fighting on the ground forces bagcina be-undermineka utho sekunama list masekuqhamuka ama position. It has been said by a number of people who are the MK members. Kuthini lo?
To our fellow comrades, I know that there is a complaint, but we are mass based. It's hardly to control. No matter whom can be appointed, so people have a lot of questions. Then so you have to accept him unless we go to the next conference and then re-elect another person.
Ubaba uMsholozi kuzohamba kuhambe retire kule position akuyona. Mhlambe ningamkhumbula kanjani mengabe se-retire?
President Zuma has been a father. Manje akabikho umuntu ongavala icathulo zakhe. Ngeke umuntu angena esikhaleni sakhe. Yet my design, my dream, sitting where I am, I see the gap there. If there is nobody that can feel it, what kind of a leader is President Zuma? You know, President Zuma is the only president who was now a member of Umkhonto. President wamaqembu amancane lawa ngasile banama PA kuze babone ikhansela bakhansela kufonela iPA reception uZuma umthola nje kusathu kuthiwa ukoze enkandla uzombona and uyena kuphela umongameli okuvumela abazongena emzini wakhe. That is legacy ka President Zuma. Hlele kuno line ngathi senyangeni ngathi sesigodlweni hlele bezombona uthi every day but there's no free time to Zuma free free umongameli uhleli nje free. That's my dream. Going to sit lapha emthunzini ekhaya imoto driving in and out ukuzobona breakdown hamba sobe consult abezothi ngathi senyangeni. I love that about Zuma, bro. I love it. That thing is unique about President Zuma. He's leading a third biggest political party. He don't meet you because Fred Chivambo said no I pele into ukuthi kubona wahamba uFred baphinde babuyela bayakuyena baba Zuma. Siyakuthanda baba Ncamalala. I wish one day nami ngaba umuntu abantu njengawe ngizehlise ngiyithobe. Ayiyona ayabona emngcwabeni kaZuma ayeke umuntu obefisa ungakhulumi mhlawumbe ngezilithola ithuba sikhuluma kubo social media lapha ku WhatsApp bethi baba Zuma kodwa President Zuma is a man. Akathi somchaza ngayo but ukhona umuntu omazi owangenela umongameli ngongena emzini wakhe ungena khona wonke umuntu uma uzolini uma uze meeting kwazi uma uphatha umphako sidla lapha kwababa uZuma siphakelwa khona kwababa uZuma baba uZuma uma ngithiwa ngifuna ukubona uZuma akaze ngambona mina I never booked the meeting but mase ngiyibook meeting ngayo ukuthi la ngifike ngishuthi isithombe noZuma that's privilege into angazi ubani advisor kaZuma abancane angicathi uyena ay decision yakhe because ama advisor ngayichitha bayichitha ofloyd asingabe saya inkandla namanje sakwazi kuyenkandla kuthiwa hey umuntu okuthiwa uyenkandla what a privilege sayithanda inkandla mangathi ubaba uZuma uyashona ngeke siphinde siye enkandla mangasobe siyokwenzana angazi ubani lo yovula umuzi wakhe asingene kona sifike sigcwala emabhenchini sihlale phansi sidle kuthiwa sizobona ubaba sizobona usho ukuthi umbona uzombhedela uyakwazi umbona umbhedela avuma kulala uhambe kungena omunye siyabonga that's a legacy ka President Zuma ukuba nomholi siyamthanda uZuma and now usibonisile uthando ngiyafisa ukuba njengaye that's my dream that's why I sit on TikTok there address ama ground forces because I wish to be like President Zuma ngibona abantu bezi breakdown mabethu asebenza breakdown bangithida ngathi ngabahlabela inkomo ukuthi wozana nonke ama TikTok anizodla inyama yenkomo nginibonga ukungithanda kwenu ngiyibona ngiuzuma ngqo ku TikTok ethi baze bangithanda abantu baze bange uyasebenza breakdown baze bangithanda abantu engaze ngawuzuma ngqo maye anginali ikhaya ngababiza ukuthi wozana ngibase ukuthi wozana nizongibona but abanye ngibona bafika bengishutha nani ngibize e2000 ngiyabonga abafowethu that's my dream actually njoba ningibiza kanjani this is my dream this is like I'm like President Zuma walking on the ground I'm President Zuma nguzuma ngqo ngamanje mina osekro yabona mase ngibona into the reason I don't see President Zuma because ngifuna ukufana naye so mase ngifike nawe ngokuthi uzobothi wena why ufuna uba yimina uzoba nomuntu ngifuna uba uyena ngqo ngifuna uba iground uzuma iground force uzuma iground uzuma is there for the people uzuma dance for the people uzuma doesn't have a protocol uzuma when he went to stadium he greets people ufuna ukuzungeza ambe nithinta kanje izandla uzuma he's got no protocol he's got nothing God be with me.
Last question for it. Are you happy with the sitting SG, the new SG?
He just followed me on TikTok.
Wow.
Yeah. So I think he know what to do.
Yeah.
I saw him follow. I followed him. He just followed back.
Oh.
I was so touched.
Yeah.
I mean, you understand? One thing. Two, he spoke about Floyd. Floyd couldn't greet people. Normally, he had no humanity. So the humbleness. He's still young. Comrade Sibonelo Nomvalo from Omzimkhulu.
Yes.
He's still young. And we see the future in him. Mina, as an advisor, I see the future. Kule nto yama 1010 bakama implicate kuyona. For if uNomvalo enza into engaqedile uzohamba naye ngathi never. That my stand. Let me put it plain, let me face this camera straight. Underground, kuma ground forces, spoke negative about uNomvalo. And everybody asked me, private, I stated that we will defend uNomvalo with our lives. uNomvalo is a young man, young politician who's given a hot seat in Umkhonto weSizwe. He's been doing well at Parliament, ad hoc committee there in Parliament. And then he came lambiza lazomdeploy ku-SG. Uthe uma ideploy ku-SG ngathi uNomvalo yabona makuna umuntu ngomlwela. Angimazi mina I have my conscience ngiyakwazi ukulwela ngakwazi personal like iwela umuntu ngilwela kanje until uzoba ifollower yami ngoba ngiyakulwela yabo lonto le so Nomvalo ngiyazi I thank you for following me on my TikTok account that means you know us and you follow us thank you so much I will fight for you I will put my life like what we did for President Zuma. You are similar. You are a second President Zuma to me. If I had a future president of Umkhonto weSizwe, the only position available for you is to be the deputy president of Umkhonto weSizwe and to be the head in the presidency and to be the 3 position only you must take now under Umkhonto weSizwe. If the anyone aim to destroy you, I will defend you. If no matter what you have done, I will defend you. That is my stand with Nomvalo. Whatever is a young, we need to encourage him, we need to inspire him, we need to motivate him. Secondly, to Ndabezitha waseThekwini, Ndabezitha has been badly spoken. I said I stand Ndabezitha, I'm not going to criticize him. He's a young man to be an organizer of a Thekwini region like Ndabezitha at the early age. It was not a small thing. If he made mistake, he's allowed to make mistake. He is a future leader. He must learn and grow from those mistakes. I speak of General Spear, General Wasamlalazi. He's a young man who's a coordinator of Mlalazi. No matter the mistakes I always be Mlalazi, I will die for him. I represent him. No matter what the factions I am stand in, but that young man, he must rise from the corridors of Mkondwe. He must be the future leader, because the strong Batanda Bantu, if they make mistakes, we must correct their mistakes. We must encourage them. We must advise them. We must motivate them. We must support them. We must stand with them. And I stand with these young people. Another one is Bonkos Kanyile. I stand firm with him when he was expelled as a president of the Youth League. I stand there firm alone on social media and said Bonkos Kanyile could not be destroyed. He's our future leader. He's our future president. Nobody can touch him. Nothing can come near him. That's a stand with us. This is my leadership advisor. When I speak emotionally. If I support you, he has to know this one, he can die for me, and we can mobilize people to support you, because these are future leaders. We cannot have Uzuma is 83 years old, so we need to protect these young stars. I speak of about Tulan Showa in Parliament in the Auto Committee. Comrades, we will defend you with our lives. You are the future leaders of this country. And what makes you a true leader as an advisor? A true leadership is not about power. It's about empowerment. Leadership is not about manipulation. It's about inspiration. We are here to inspire them. We are not to manipulate them. We are not to tell them. So now, as an advisor, what is a true leadership? Mine in leadership is to make sure they're becoming better. When we speak about them, they must feel more. I'm an advisor. If I speak about you, no, I'm a true leader. If breakdown will be behind my back, and I will make it. Somebody match me. If you breakdown is behind when you're gonna succeed, Taco Blue, because he's got a leadership mindset and he's an advisor. But through advising, I'm advising through the social media. I'm mobilizing the masses. If we are standing for the good, even if we are wrong, we will advise until we do right. That's why I stand, man. I'm not a factionalist. I'm not open to criticize and speak bad about people. We must advise. We must correct them, we must build them, we must make them better, and then show you are the future leaders. We will make you better, we will build you, we will encourage you. And speak of president of the Youth League, I know there are a lot of criticism, my brother, coming to you. You are being criticized all over, but when you see, every time he sees me, it breakdown again, because of the more enemies sometimes defend nonsense, defend parliament, defend nonsense. No problem. He's been leading as a president of the Youth League. You cannot destroy him. Let us build him. Let us educate him. Let us strengthen him. Let us give him opportunity. Let him grow. Let him become better. Let us not destroy our future. Let us not destroy the youngsters. Who's going to lead our country in the future? Let us, and you ever say China, you put that. At China, he was educating, was learning new things. Let them grow. Let them grow. Let us not kill one another. Stop in them affectionalism. You discredit my comrade. If they do wrong, let us remove from power. Let us not assassinate them. I thank you.
Mfowethu sesivala nje mhlawumbe abafisa ukufinyelela kuwena abafinyelela kanjani athina ama social handles wakho.
No, I'm breakdown Mathenjwa. That's me.
Facebook, TikTok, both same
TikTok
thing.
only.
TikTok only.
Yes.
Anza kwethu bengino breakdown umfoka mathe ukanda wangempela insizwa le uyashumayela sometimes. Okay guys, sivala njalo kuhlelo lwayo iDurban Network. I am your host uSabelo Mfokandabase. Sithi nje kuwena abake babonana baphinde babonana. Danko.
Hammer